Then it will be the world's biggest, tallest tower. Well, let's keep going. Look around.
Nangawit. Nangawit ang baby.
I know I'm scared of heights.
Oh, slowly. No need to rush, baby.
Ezra fell down.
Oh,
Please.
there you go. Finish it na.
Please, I fell down. Please.
Oh, easy lang.
Please.
Oh.